Hi everyone, and welcome back to Scratch. Today I'm going to show you how to make crispy sweet potato fries at home. We'll need 2 pounds of sweet potatoes, which is about 3 large or 4 medium sweet potatoes, 2/3 cups of cornstarch, a half cup of cold water, which we're going to reserve from an ice water bath, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of pepper, as well as some oil for frying. Let's get started. First we'll rinse and peel our sweet potatoes, and then we'll slice them into sticks approximately a ½ inch in width, and soak them in a cold ice water bath for an hour. The ice water bath will help our fries come out crispy. While our fries are soaking in the water bath, we'll preheat our oil to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. After an hour, we'll reserve 1/2 cup of our water for our batter, and then rinse and drain our fries. While the fries are draining, we'll go ahead and make our batter. We'll whisk together our 2/3 cups of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 2 teaspoons of pepper with our ½ cup of reserved water, until we have a very thin batter. Then we'll pat our fries dry with a kitchen or paper towel. Before moving on to the first fry, working in batches as necessary, we'll dip our fries in our batter, drain off the excess, and fry our sweet potatoes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes, stirring about halfway through to prevent them from sticking to one another. Then we'll transfer them to a paper towel-lined baking sheet and allow them to chill in the refrigerator for an additional hour. While our fries are chilling, we'll increase the temperature of our oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we'll fry our sweet potatoes again for another 2 minutes, until golden brown and very crisp. Then we'll drain them on a wire rack. At this point, we'll season them with more salt and pepper if desired. These fries are so delicious and easy to make, and they are perfect for snacking or as a side dish. You can enjoy them with your favorite dipping sauce or eat them plain. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes like this one. Thank you for watching, and see you next week.